Everyone in dropshipping is chasing winning products, and the problem is that you're doing the same. You're treating your business like a lottery, built on trends, hoping for a quick win. That's exactly why you fail. To actually succeed, you need to do 3 things. Step 1, pick a niche, not just a product. Stop picking random trending items. Instead, choose a niche and build a cohesive brand with products that complement each other and encourage repeat purchases. Step 2, use trends the smart way. A viral product should be a bait, not the foundation of your business model. Integrate them into a long-term strategy to hook your customers, then upsell, bundle, and retain them for long-term profit. Step 3, play the long game. Real success comes from brand loyalty, smart marketing, and customer retention, not from constantly looking for the next quick fix product. Otherwise, you'll be starting from scratch every few months. If you want long-term success, stop hunting for winning products and build something that lasts. And I've created a free guide to help you pick the right niche, so click the link in the description.